Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia. If today is your first time here, and I hope you all are doing well. And in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make green chili sauce. It's very nice and tasty, and I hope you will enjoy this recipe. And also don't forget to give me a like, share, subscribe if you enjoy this recipe. So let's get started. So for my ingredients, I have here canola oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I have here garlic, chopped ginger, onion. I also have here shrimp powder and herring powder, vegetable stock seasoning, and for my vegetables, I'll be using long green chili, fennel, green capsicum, green chili, spring onions, so I'll start by washing all my vegetables very clean with some salt. And to my new and returning subscribers, thank you all so much for your support and for continuing to watch my channel. And I promise to bring you very good content and amazing recipes. So keep supporting my channel and let's grow this channel together. And also share to your friends, your families, and to reach wider audience. So next I'll be cutting all the vegetables. So I'll start by cutting the green capsicum. The fennel, so fennel have a very nice fragrance, so consider adding it to your vegetables. You will love it. It smells so good. And the spring onions, so all these vegetables have a very nice fragrance. And I'll also be cutting the long green chili. I'll be removing most of the seeds out, but you can also leave it if you like. And these long green chilies are not very hot but mild. Next, in my blender, I'll add the ginger, garlic, onion, and the chopped vegetables. And to it, I'll add some oil to help it blend. So I'm blending them all together at this point. Next, I've preheated my saucepan, and to it I'll add some oil, and I'll add the blended spices, the blended vegetables. And I'll be cooking it on a low heat while stirring. Now let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. Next, I'll add the shrimp powder and the herring powder, and I'll give it a stir. So continue to stir it to prevent it from burning. So I've added the vegetable stock seasoning, and as you can see, it's almost done, and it's smelling so good. Now I'll cover it and give it another few minutes. And at this point, our green chili sauce is all done. And this chili sauce goes well with gakenke rice. It goes well with most of the Ghanaian dishes. And I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share to your families, your friends. And now I hope you give this recipe a try. So once it's done, you let it sit and cool down. Then transfer it into your airtight containers. So you can store this in the freezer. It will last for many months, and you can store some in your fridge. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.